we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Wirsch Jump Starter with air compressor. Consists of the following features. Powerful jump starter performance. With a robust 8000 amp peak current, this jump starter power pack can easily start your battery in seconds, compatible with vehicles up to 8.0L gas and 10.0L diesel engines. Designed to operate reliably in extreme conditions from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, it supports over 1000 recharge cycles and delivers up to 40 jump starts on a single charge, making it a durable and ready-to-use power solution anytime, anywhere. Intelligent 160 psi tire inflation function. Equipped with a built-in air compressor and tire pressure monitoring, this jump starter allows you to read real-time pressure, set a target value for automatic shut-off, and switch between 4 units with ease. Powered by a unique intelligent chip, it delivers stronger performance, greater stability, and quieter operation, making it ideal for quickly inflating car tires, sports balls, and other inflatables. 27,000 mAh power bank and fast charging. Built with 4 high-capacity yet lightweight battery cells, this jump starter doubles as a long-lasting portable power bank. It features multiple USB-A ports, including a fast charge port that quickly powers up your smartphones, tablets, and other essential devices, keeping you connected wherever you go. LCD display and smart safety protection. Featuring a clear LCD screen that shows essential data like battery level, inflator mode, and real-time tire pressure, this jump starter is designed for intuitive operation. Paired with intelligent jumper cables that offer multiple built-in protections, including safeguards against overvoltage, short circuits, and reverse polarity, it provides all-round security for both you and your vehicle. Stay informed and start with confidence. All-in-one emergency LED flashlight. Beyond jump starting, this device functions as a versatile emergency tool. It includes a bright LED work light with 3 modes, normal, SOS, and strobe, ideal for roadside emergencies or outdoor use. Housed in a lightweight build and accompanied by a convenient EVA storage case, it's designed for easy portability and organized storage, ensuring reliable assistance wherever you go. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.